Hello friends, welcome to TechElite YouTube channel. Today we will create music with you using artificial intelligence. This music we will create will be royalty-free and free. Making music with artificial intelligence is a developing and popular field in recent years. Artificial intelligence can compose music in different genres, from classical to rock, from pop to jazz. While composing these compositions, he examines the works of great artists and learns music theory. First, we create a membership from this section. Here we create a new project and name your project. Here we set the tempo and duration of the music we will create. We choose which genre or region your music will belong to. We choose the emotion we want to include in our piece. From this section, you can make your settings and change your options. You can download it for free from this section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.